Hello and welcome to our channel where we help you lead a healthier and happier life. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you 10 quick and healthy lunch ideas for busy days. If you're someone who's always on the go or has a busy schedule, it can be challenging to find time to prepare healthy meals, especially for lunch. But don't worry, we've got you covered. These lunch ideas are not only healthy but also quick and easy to prepare. So, let's get started with our top 10 healthy lunch ideas. Mason jar salads. Layer your favorite salad ingredients in a mason jar, starting with the dressing at the bottom, then add protein, veggies, and greens. When you're ready to eat, simply shake the jar and enjoy. Grilled chicken wrap. Take a whole grain wrap and fill it with grilled chicken, veggies like lettuce, tomatoes, and avocado. Add your favorite dressing for a tasty and nutritious meal. Turkey and hummus roll up. Spread hummus on a whole grain wrap. Add turkey slices, cucumber, and lettuce. Roll it up and enjoy. Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, berries, and granola in a jar or container for a tasty and healthy lunch option. Quinoa salad. Cook quinoa and add chopped veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Add some feta cheese and your favorite dressing for a delicious and nutritious salad. Tuna salad. Mix canned tuna with avocado, lemon juice, and diced celery. Serve over a bed of greens or on a whole grain wrap. Sweet potato and black bean bowl. Roast sweet potatoes and add black beans, corn, avocado, and salsa. This meal is not only delicious but also packed with protein and fiber. Egg salad. Mix hard-boiled eggs with avocado, mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Serve on a whole grain wrap or over a bed of greens. Lentil soup. Cook lentils with your favorite veggies and spices for a hearty and healthy soup. Veggie stir fry. Cook your favorite veggies in a wok or skillet with some coconut oil and soy sauce. Serve with brown rice for a delicious and filling meal. So, those were our top 10 healthy and easy lunch ideas for busy days. We hope you found these ideas helpful and give them a try. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.